Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Solving the coin change problem with dynamic programming in Python. Introduction. The coin change problem is a classic algorithmic problem that involves finding the number of ways to make change for a given amount using a given set of coin denominations. Dynamic programming is an effective approach to solving this problem, providing an optimal and efficient solution. In this tutorial, we will walk through the problem, understand the dynamic programming approach, and implement the solution in Python. Problem statement. Given a set of coin denominations and a target amount, determine the number of ways to make change for that amount using the provided coins. Dynamic programming approach. Dynamic programming is a technique that involves breaking down a complex problem into simpler subproblems and solving each subproblem only once, storing the solutions to subproblems in a table to avoid redundant computations. The coin change problem exhibits overlapping subproblems, making it suitable for a dynamic programming solution. The key idea is to build a table where the entry dpij represents the number of ways to make change for amount j using the first I coins in the given set. Algorithm. Python code. Conclusion. Dynamic programming is a powerful technique for solving optimization problems, and the coin change problem is a great example. The provided Python code demonstrates a clear implementation of the dynamic programming approach to finding the number of ways to make change for a given amount using a set of coin denominations. Feel free to modify the code to suit your specific use case or expand upon it for different variations of the problem. ChatGPT.